Hello everyone, this is your Kalpana here. So in this video we are going to see a problem on coordinate geometry. So let's get started. So here is the problem. Prove that the points A, B, C and D taken in order are the vertices of a square. Okay. So we are given some points. We have to prove that these points are the vertices of a square. Solution. Given points A 3, 5, B 6, 2, C 3, -1 and D 0, 2. Given points are. Let the given points be the vertices of any quadrilateral. Say A, B, C, D. Okay. So we know that the distance between two points is given by D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So now we are going to find the distances between AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay. So let us consider a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. So here we are going to find the distances of AB, BC, CD and AD. You're having points A 3, 5, B 6, 2, C 3, -1 and D 0, 2. Okay. Fine. Now AB equals to, since we know that all sides of a square are equal and all the diagonals are equal. Okay. All the sides and all the diagonals are equal in a square. AB equals to square root of, since we have D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You're having A 3, 5 and B 6, 2. So now substitute the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this formula. So you're having x2 6 minus x1 3 whole square plus y22 minus y15 whole square. So this is equals to square root of 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3 whole square, which is equals to 3 square 9 plus minus 3 square is 9. So you can write it as square root of 18 or 2 into 9, which is equals to root 2 into root 9. So you can write it as square root of 9 is root 3 square and the square root gets cancelled. So finally this is equals to 3 root 2. Therefore AB equals to 3 root 2. AB equals to 3 root 2. Okay. Now we'll find the distance BC. BC equals to square root of. So you're having B 6 comma 2 and C 3 comma minus 1. 6 minus, x2 is 3. We have to substitute the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2. So you're having x2 equals to 3. Substitute 3 in the place of x2 minus of x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y1. You're having x1 6, y1, y2 you're having minus 1 minus y1 is 2 whole square. So this is equals to square root of 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 is again minus 3 whole square. So this is equals to minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. So this is equals to square root of 18. So you can write it as 2 times 9 or 9 into 2. So this equals to square root of 9 into square root of 2. So you can write the square root of 9 as square root of 3 square into root 2. This square and square root gets cancelled. So finally this is equals to 3 root 2. Therefore BC is equals to 3 root 2. BC 3 root 2. Okay. So now we'll find the distance CD. CD equals to square root of, you're having C3 comma minus 1 and D 0 comma 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So you're having X2 0 minus X1 3 whole square plus Y2 2 minus Y1 minus 1 whole square. So this is equals to minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. 2 plus 1 whole square. So this is equals to square root of 3 square is 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Again 3 square is 9. So this is equals to square root of 18, which can be written as square root of 9 into 2. So this is equals to square root of 9 into square root of 2. So this is equals to, you can write this square root of 9 as square root of 3 square into root 2 square, and root 2 gets cancelled. So this is equals to 3 root 2. So therefore CD equals to 3 root 2. Okay. Now coming to distance AD. You're having A 3, 5 and D 0, 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So you're having X2 0 minus X1 3 whole square plus Y2 2 minus Y1 5 whole square. So this is equals to square root of minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3 whole square. So this equals to square root of minus 3 whole square is 9 plus again minus 3 whole square is 9. So this equals to square root of 9 plus 9 is 18. So this can be written as 9 into 2. Again this can be written as root 9 into root 2. Root 9 can be written as square root of 3 square and root 2 as root 2. So square and root 2 gets cancelled. So finally this is equals to 3 root 2. So therefore AD equals to 3 root 2. AD is 3 root 2. Okay. So now you can notice that all the sides are equal to 3 root 2. Therefore AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD equals to 3 root 2. See, AB equals to 3 root 2, BC equals to 3 root 2, CD equals to 3 root 2 and AD equals to 3 root 2. We can say that all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal. Okay. So now we'll check for diagonals and finally we'll confirm that the given points are vertices of a square. Okay. So now we need to check the diagonals. For a square, the diagonals must be equal. That is, BD must be equal to AC. Now we'll find distance AC. So you're having A 3, 5 and C 3, minus 1. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So AC equals to square root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So this is equals to square root of 3 minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Simply substitute the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2. So this equals to square root of 3 minus 3 is 0 plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 whole square. So this equals to square root of minus 6 whole square. Okay. So minus 6 whole square is 36. Again, 36 square root of 36 is 6. Okay. So therefore AC equals to 6. AC equals to 6. Now we'll find BD. D6 comma 2, D0 comma 2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so this equals to square root of, now substitute the values of x1 x2 and y1 y2. 0 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. So this is equals to square root of minus 6 whole square plus 0. Minus 6 whole square is, square root of minus 6 whole square is root 36. So this equals to square root of minus 6 whole square, and this minus 6 whole square is equals to square root of 36. Square root of 36 is again 6. So therefore BD equals to 6. BD equals to 6. So here we can notice that the diagonals are equal. Therefore, the diagonals of a quadrilateral or the quadrilateral are equal. We know that in a square, all the sides are equal and all the diagonals or the two diagonals are the diagonals, all the diagonals are equal. Therefore, the points given are the vertices of a square. You have to include the step here. Therefore, AC equals to BD equals to 6. Okay. So this completes the problem. So this is all for now. Hope you will understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.